They wanted to use you publicly or to use you in the public to gain an approval, to gain recognition, to gain appreciation, recognition. Somebody wanted to use you publicly, to associate with you publicly, or offer something to you publicly, or speaking to you publicly in a gathering. In the public, like they have their issues going on, and they've just tried to use you as someone they can lean on in order to build back their reputation. So someone wants to build their reputation by associating themselves with you. And you know how what that means? It means you are going to be the one to be blamed, because as people see you as the one that you are associating with someone that isn't good, they're going to come for you. They're going to like start looking at you also in a certain way. Someone actually use you publicly to clear their name, to build their reputation. You just have to be careful. Some people just, they are users. It's just and when they see that you are shining or you're famous or you have things going on for you, they always want to stand in the public to speak things and calling your name. Want to start to making you as a reference or seeing you trying to have a photo with you. Like they want to do something to having people feel that oh they too have arrived. Or even though everyone has seen them to be that in a certain way, of course they've got someone of high standard, someone of high repute that they can actually that they are raised with or they are associated with. Jesus. Someone they want to gain public recognition or public approval or wash their names by using you in the public. It's not even because they have your best interest at heart, so they wanted to just use your name or your image for people to look at them in a certain way, for people to change their mindset towards them. Beloved, you worked so hard to build your reputation. You wouldn't have someone that hasn't got the right standing. You wouldn't accept someone that is not willing to change. Someone that has destroyed their reputation to to paint you in a certain light. And to even make matters worse, you were not even ready. You didn't know that someone was going to mention you, or someone was going to was planning to associate themselves with you publicly, or to come close to you publicly and quickly take photo or take videos or say whatever they want to say or portray themselves in whatever way they wanted to portray. People like people have got certain. This is really terrible. This is really bad. This is really, really bad. But thank God that regardless of what happened, your reputation is still intact, because your reputation was this close to be tarnished by someone that decided to associate themselves with you publicly. Someone you don't even, some of them you do not even know them. Some of them you've tried to talk to them to change. Some of them you've tried to have them see life in a different way. But today they feel that for them to associate themselves with you publicly, to show themselves that they are together with you publicly, was going to like suddenly change everything that the world knows about them, or that the world change everything that the world perceive about them. Even though to an extent they were being appreciated, to an extent they were being recognized, because of course you are popular, of course you have a right standing. Of course, my camera is always falling, especially when I'm in the spirits. That's when my camera decides to trying to disgrace me, beloved. Like what I was saying in this video. Like someone has been trying to disgrace you. Yes. This come on just following is a confirmation. That someone was trying to disgrace you by having you feeling a certain way, by ways of association. Someone was trying to build their reputation by ways of association. That was a good that was a good act. That was a good plan. They have done that. And so what next? What next? But thank God that God kept on protecting your reputation. Thank God that thank God that He He alerted you, because like you were so innocent. You thought someone was just coming to take photos with you. Someone was just trying to mention you, as a reference. Someone was just trying to associate with you for growth or whatever. Like your intentions was so pure, and like you were so innocent in this whole process. It was later that you discovered that someone was just trying to use you. Someone was just talking and referring you in order for them to restore their reputation. It could be in a family setting, beloved. That someone is trying to have everyone to believe that, okay, you are so close to them, you and them are so good together. Or in an organization, someone trying to have everyone to believe that you are good together with them. And I mean, like, yeah, every no I mean, no one in their right senses wouldn't want to associate with someone that has good reputation. And they've seen you as someone that has that good reputation. And that's why they've been trying to build up themselves by ways of association. And they saw you as a target. They saw you as the one to be used in order for that reputation to be built. May the Lord continue to bless you, beloved. You're working. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. May the Lord bless His name in your life. Thank God that you're still your. Thank God that what they did not destroy your reputation. It's okay. It's okay. They came towards you and you were so innocent, and just said, "Oh, let's take a photo. Can we have a video? Oh, this person like this. Oh, this person is like that. Oh, this person said this person said that." To have everyone feel like, okay, whereas you have nothing, absolutely nothing to do with them. You have no connection with them. Hmm. Be careful. Be careful. God bless you, and see you in the next video.